Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to what's your time to talk right now. On Nadina, how you guys coping with the Tinubu season? You know, easy, but someday we're all gonna scale through. What up? Welcome to Oshe React YouTube channel. It's another round of Nigerian comedy reaction videos, episode 2. Come on, everybody. Oshe, like I said before, with a gram jete by jete, every episode with a knock on the recent comedy trends and the recent comedy videos with you on board. Oh shit, come on your body. Alright, I bet you're not going to regret this one. Why not grab your popcorn while we enjoy this Nigerian comedy reaction video episode 2. Come on your body. Oh shit. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Oshe React, and don't forget to leave a comment below the video while you watch. Come on your body. Oh shit, let's go there. Funny board. Funny bros. This is love one tinty as it used to be. Funny bros. I believe you are in your cloud 9 now.
Today is Valentine.
Yes, Valentine. Hide and seek.
You hide and seek. Okay. Close your eyes. Let me hide. Okay.
Funny Bros is such a funny guy. Like the name implies, he's funny.
Where you hide? Let me find you. Okay. Close your eyes.
That's the yourself. You guys are funny, I don't know. Please, if you know where I can get this kind of seat, please just leave a comment below the video. I'd like to buy it. Love 120. 14th February will not put us in problem. It will not put us in shame. Jesus. Wow, hey, God, why? Oh man, child, but this guy don't die for love.
Jesus' name. Father, show me sign. I am due for marriage, but I have too many in my life. This one, his name is Friday. He's very young and talented.
Okay.
He's a graduate, but he doesn't have a job. But I see a potential in him. This one, he's
more life, no balance.
He's very rich. He's very handsome, but he has anger issues. Father, show me sign.
Life is two sides of a coin.
Jesus.
God have mercy.
Show me signs. I ask for your signs. Show me signs among these two men. Choose for me, oh Lord. Father,
it is always like that. Or more person will complete finish.
They don't love me so much. Jesus.
Oh baby, God will show you sign like this now. Which one? Okay. Yes, send out. You know they get sense. You select picture. Sign out. Play with your future.
Maybe like say we just bring Angel Gabriel come here, just take me back to heaven.
You na AJ, continue your job. Come on, everybody. Nedu.
So this
Nedu, you are too funny. You won't kill somebody. Nedu of Wazobia FM. There's something enter her eye.
The priest started from here. Where you
What up? Where are you watching from? Please leave a comment below the video, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and share. Come on, everybody. Snake.
Okay, let me go get him.
Wahala for Mackenzie. You do kaka.
Snake just became now. What type of snake is that? It's green. It's like green.
A more green snake.
Mark on his body like that. The only solution you have now, just go there and suck it. And just suck the place out.
Jesus.
Just rush, go. Your friend have no time again. That's good. Okay, thank you.
We gotta sort something out.
Yes. They gave us an advice. What did they say?
Hi.
They say you die.
Oh, the guy no feed one. Better die. Oh, it's not everywhere that you see you place your kaka. Don't go and place your kaka. No, it's not advisable. You know, this Gen Z, this Indomie generation, I'm not sure they know Jaguar of the comedy fame. Jaguar way back. This guy just be like Jaguar. Very funny guy. Jota. Bravo. I love this guy, man. Such a great guy. Jota is one Nigerian comedian that cannot be. He's one Nigerian guy, one Nigerian comedian that knows his onion. He really knows what he's doing. He won't for. That's what I looked at. Boy, he's gonna look past this terror. Which of you?
So I was in US. My parents.
Sabinus.
You said Beverly, right?
Yes.
You heard about Beverly in US?
Yes, Beverly Hills.
That's close to my apartment in US. You know George Bush?
Yes.
He got his apartment from me.
Yeah,
Oh my God. See, I came to make a transfer of 200 million, roughly. Yes.
Roughly 200 million.
Big boy. The money in your account is too much. You know?
Yeah.
I have to reduce.
Sabinus.
Bros, please do your 2-5 transaction.
It's a 2-5 transaction. Don't worry, they'll catch you.
God, I beg you, make this ATM swallow my card. Oh God, this guy dash me 10,000. Swallow it. Swallow it.
Jesus.
Don't swallow him.
This man. Who's there?
Don't swallow him.
It has swallowed my card.
You don't swallow your card.
It has swallowed my card. I won't take this at all. This is how you guys do in Nigeria? Swallowed my card. Oh God.
What's up? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Oshe Reacts.
Why will I receive this?
And please leave a comment under the video as you watch.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, please. Where's my gym card? I can't do it.
Problem.
So please, we're sorry for the inconveniences.
Someone do whatever you want to do now.
Now.
If you have a plan, keep to your plan.
Stick to your plan.
Do it now, please. Not
Yes,
time.
yes, do it now. No time.
Please accept this 10,000 naira.
Take it.
10,000. What 10,000?
This guy don't
What are
pause.
you 10,000 for?
This guy don't pause in this guy.
Do you know who this
Calm
is?
down.
We are not taking that money. Do you know who this is?
We?
Yes, we. We are not taking that money.
We are not taking it.
Please accept this 10,000 naira.
You know it's
Shame on you, Sabinus. We are not taking
millions.
it.
You come and collect 10K. For what?
Sir, please.
This guy is such a funny guy. I don't know.
Chibike, it's your turn.
Sabinus.
Pronounce this word.
Chibike.
What?
Overdue.
Overdue. Yes.
That's overdue,
Pronounce
not
the next one.
overdue.
Next.
Tire.
Next word.
Chibike is one promising Nigerian comedian.
See all the nonsense.
I believe this guy is going to do well.
Chibike, you have to repeat this class.
Chibike.
So they say that
I pray for you, don't worry.
Ask us questions.
Someday.
I'll ask the person questions.
So have you gotten a partner?
You're gonna blow
Yes,
famous.
my partner.
Who is
Okay.
your partner?
Samuel.
Alright, Samuel, ask Chibike a question.
If a vehicle leaves Lagos by 9 a.m. and gets to Abuja by 11 a.m., how many hours did the vehicle spend on the road?
Chibike,
Sir?
won't you answer the question?
Sir, I understand the question. If the vehicle leave Lagos
Okay.
by 9 a.m. and get to Abuja by 11 a.m.
Street boy.
When they stop at Ore, when
Okay.
they buy something.
Okay.
Chibike, this is a simple arithmetic question. Answer this question.
Sir, no, the vet, they'll eat in Ore now.
Uh-huh.
Every passenger like to say, I want peace, so driver, when they peace.
Yeah, they'll
Okay, if
peace.
you don't answer this question now, you repeat this class.
Which motor did they enter?
Chibike, what has
Okay.
the name of the motto got to
Got
do
to
with
do
the
with
question?
the question.
Without the motor, now, whether it's God is good, so I'll know how fast the motor is.
Wala,
Okay, you
wala,
have failed
wala,
it. Samuel,
wala.
tell him the answer.
The answer is 2 hours.
Chibike, it's your turn to ask Samuel.
Okay. As you had one, you see.
Chibike, ask Samuel a question now.
If there are 5 boys in a field and 3 of the boys are girls, who is the vice president of Burkina Faso in 1994? Answer that question.
Chibike,
Sir?
what kind of question is that?
I don't understand,
Ask
though.
the question. Now it's my turn, I'm asking him.
But your question is wrong. What kind of question is that?
So let's answer the question.
Well, answer the question, Sam.
In this world, people must talk.
Mr. Ibu, blessed memory.
So that people will not talk.
R.I.P. Mr. Ibu. We love you.
Yes.
We'll always remember your works.
So that I'll bury you. You get first. So that I will take over the bicycle.
One of Nigeria's best comedy actors.
You see this bicycle?
Rest in peace.
It is the cause of all the problems we have been having.
Please, if you love Mr. Ibu, please say hi to Mr. Ibu, please. Talk about his works under the video as you watch. We really miss him.
Come on, carry your pen.
He will press the last one. Just the press they go. No, when we dey grow now, all of us play this kind of play. See the press am. The last one. There is no last one until the last one. We will sit here, nice guy of the Akina Popo fame. I like him.
Everybody look,
See what the Lord has done. Everybody look, see what
I've done for me.
you make me wonder. What's happening here? I see now only me the surprise.
Everybody look, see what the Lord has done for me.
Everybody look, see what the Lord has done for me. Oh boy, now
You
Skit.
make me wonder. I wonder.
This is how you greet in French.
I got it.
Good afternoon. You say what? Vamukutu.
Boy Jota. Mukutu.
What did I say?
Mukutu.
Okay.
Mukutu.
Gege.
Mukutu.
Again.
Mukutu.
Okay.
Mukutu.
Okay.
Mukutu.
One time. Vamukutu.
This boy is just foolish.
Okay.
Born foolish.
Have you submitted your assignment?
No, sir.
But you are disturbing.
Chibike again.
You answer some questions now. If someone from Nigeria is a Nigerian, someone from Holland is a what?
Person from Holland.
Hollandia.
Yes.
Hollandia.
Hollandia.
Chibike, is something wrong with you?
I
So,
tell you.
Hollandis.
Chibike,
Hollandis.
someone from Holland is called what?
Oyibo.
Someone from
Oyibo?
Holland is called a Dutch.
Dutch.
Touch.
Yes. Question two.
No be our language now.
Which
after
force
all.
is responsible to maintain peace in the society?
The police.
Sir, no understand.
Let me make it clear.
Yes,
If your
the
property
police.
gets missing, who do you report to?
Okay. Babalawo.
You say what?
Babalawo.
What is Babalawo?
Like native doctor.
Chibike, it's like you want to repeat this class. What do you mean
Boy.
native doctor?
Sir, but something lost. You don't know if it's the
Boy, no way.
Keep quiet.
So
You report
Babalawo
to
is now your police.
police.
Yes. Let's move to word pronunciation. Pronounce
Okay.
this word, Chibike.
Word pronunciation. Science. Science. Come on.
Skayenske.
You better pronounce this word.
Sekense.
Okay.
Second say
Science.
Science.
Yes, science.
Okay, sir.
final question. How many colors has the Nigerian flag?
3 colors.
Yeah, wrong. It's 2 colors.
Size 3 colors.
It's two.
Green, white, green.
It's green and white.
Green and white.
So what happened to the third green?
It is green and white.
It's green and white. Green and white.
Twice.
Green and
So
white.
why did they not put it? Why are they wasting green? Every time they'll be wasting things. Why did they waste the green?
Chief K, keep your
And
mouth shut.
there's true though. Every time in Nigeria,
Now I ask again.
they
How many
waste things,
colors
Abi.
has the Nigerian
Are you
flag?
talk? No, be me.
3 colors.
Who's lingered by the bar. Here comes the
Funny
second
boys.
threat.
If I score this goal, you know what misbehave though. Show it, you don't listen. You just put down for super hand.
For you to accept that.
Problem for you to do.
Smoke Igbo. If you take Indiana.
You better penalty, I better buy him till you
From here. You just laugh. Follow that laugh, what?
Hello, babe, how far now?
I think this one is for. Okay. Guess one of the use brain. Wives that don't use their head. Who sent you?
Are you
Who
serious?
sent you that
You're
one?
not still in that house.
I'm sure that person on phone is a bad friend. Bad friends. Ladies, beware of bad friends. Beware of bad friends.
Hello, babe. Your wife just told me that she's leaving your house today because she read
Damn.
your WhatsApp message.
Now the girl be that.
Babe, now. Oh, boy, you be bad though.
Now the bad girl be that.
We are going
You
to
see?
celebrate it. Like, I've been waiting for this for so long now.
Look at what women do to women.
See, babe, listen to me. You can
No,
do
no,
anything
no.
how you want.
Look at that.
Cheat on me. In fact, as I speak right now, I'm already packing my loads. I'm coming to your house.
Come where?
Now.
They say that one go allow you.
You bad, oh.
You bad. Never see
Okay,
anything.
now. I love you so much, babe.
Which love? Come on for them.
Prepare a very delicious rice for me, oh. Yeah, kisses.
I dey shame for you. Why you dey do? You gotta pack and lead back. What up? Hope you've never been in this situation before. Please leave a comment below the video. Alright, thank you. It's a wrap for episode 2 of Nigerian Comedy Reaction. What up? I expect you to give me a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, leave a comment below the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Come on, everybody. Oh shit. Peace.